Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a new Microsoft account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your web browser and go to account.microsoft.com. Once you are there, click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the Sign In page where you will see the Create One option. Go ahead and click on it to start creating a new Microsoft account. Next, enter a unique email address that you would like to use for your Microsoft account and then click Next. After that, create a strong password for your account and click Next again. Microsoft will then ask for some basic information, including your date of birth. Enter the required details and continue. Once you have completed the information, now enter your first and last name. Then continue to Next step. Microsoft may ask you to complete a quick verification by holding and dragging a button or solving a simple security challenge. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify that you are a real person. After the verification is complete, Microsoft may offer you the option to create a passkey for additional security. You can either set up the passkey or skip this step and continue. After a few moments, Microsoft will finish creating your account and take you to your new Microsoft account dashboard. As you can see, your Microsoft account has now been created successfully. If you click on your account initials or profile icon, you can customize your account and even change your profile picture if you want. And that's it! Your Microsoft account is now ready to use. So that's basically how to create a new Microsoft account. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.